Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable customer accounts in Shopify. This feature allows your customers to create accounts on your store, making it easier for them to track orders, save their information, and enjoy a more personalized shopping experience. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your store's dashboard quickly. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. Take a look at the left side panel where you'll find various navigation options. From this panel, click on Settings. This is where you can control all the important configurations for your store, from payment options to customer preferences. Once you're in the settings area, you'll see another set of options on the left side of the screen. From these options, click on Customer Accounts. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how customers interact with your store through their accounts. Now, within the Customer Accounts settings, look for an option labeled Sign-in Links. You'll notice a toggle switch next to it. Make sure to toggle this option on. Enabling this feature is essential as it activates the customer account functionality on your store. After toggling it on, you'll need to select the type of sign-in method you want to use. Click on Legacy. The Legacy option means customers will create an account and sign in using their email and password. This is the traditional method that many stores use, and it's straightforward for customers who are familiar with standard login processes. And that's it. You've successfully enabled customer accounts in Shopify using the legacy sign-in method. Your customers can now create accounts, sign in, and enjoy a more seamless shopping experience on your store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.